Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can hide the posts on Facebook. So what you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook, you want to click on the three dots on whatever post, and then you're going to see it here, hide post. And now post hidden. Now what you can do is when I go here and I go to my profile and I go to three dots next to the add to the story, I'm going to see here activity log, and you can simply see what were you doing, right? Manage activity. You can archive it, and this is how you can simply do it. So this is how you can easily hide a post. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.